Yoga Asana for mental health. Yoga, a mind-body practice that originated in ancient India, has gained immense popularity in recent years as an effective way to improve mental health. Asana 1. Tadasana, Mountain Pose. Tadasana, also known as the mountain pose, is one of the foundational poses in yoga. It involves standing tall with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Tadasana helps in improving body awareness, relieves tension, boosts confidence and enhances concentration. Asana 2. Balasana, Child's Pose. Balasana, also known as Child's Pose, is a gentle and restorative pose that promotes relaxation and reduces stress and anxiety. It promotes relaxation, relieves stress and is great for restful sleep. Asana 3. Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana, also known as Cobra Pose, is a gentle backbend that can help reduce stress and anxiety by opening up the chest and promoting deep breathing. It reduces stress and anxiety, improves mood and also increases self-confidence. Asana 4. Adho Mukha Svanasana, Downward Facing Dog Pose. Adho Mukha Svanasana is a popular yoga pose that can help reduce stress and anxiety by increasing blood flow to the brain and promoting relaxation. It increases blood flow to the brain and reduces fatigue. Asana 5. Paschimottanasana, Seated Forward Bend. Paschimottanasana, also known as Seated Forward Bend, is a calming pose that can help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and improving blood flow to the brain. So these are the 5 yoga poses